I want to share this footage that Glendale, Arizona Police Department just released. And they're showing their real-time crime center where they're releasing drones into the sky. And they catch a guy who snatched a purse from a lady at Walmart within minutes. It's some very interesting footage, and it just shows that this is probably the worst time in history to be a criminal.
I just know when I was walking into a store, I saw his reflection in the window. When I came into the store, that's when I felt somebody, grabbed my purse. And when I turned around, that's when I saw him running away. I don't know what to do. He took all the money after my film.
Within minutes, Glendale Police Department's real-time crime center was able to track the suspect using drone technology. Yeah, it's a real bad time to be a criminal. Let's see what happens.
On the ground! Get 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 on the ground! Sit tight, Mr. I got you. Just get my
Cities no longer need helicopters to keep an eye in the sky. They now have drones, which are very inexpensive to maintain, versus a helicopter and a helicopter pilot. More stories like this coming soon. And if you haven't seen the new episode of Doorbell News, make sure you check it out here. Thanks for watching.